Number 39, am very satisfied with the low price and large data capacity. I want to use it again. Perfect travel SIM for visiting US. Very convenient to use eSIM than physical SIM cards. It is very easy to set up and the instructions provided were very clear. I really want to go to America again. If only money. Easy to install. Fast speed. No trouble during install process. If that and number 39 is not the case, it will be difficult. Also, I was told that the call from the app was far away, but I and number 39 am calling normally. "5G does not work well in the US and is slow. The Groupon app doesn't and number 39 work at all. "5G does not work well in the US and is slow. The Groupon app doesn't and number 39 work at all.